Hi guys, welcome to another short one. On this one, we're just changing or swapping out the DRL or the day running light on the W204 Mercedes. This one had cracked and gotten water into it, so it was throwing a little error message saying this light should be changed. I got this light from Kanuga Auto Spares, that's in Pretoria. So if you want anything Mercedes Benz, BMW, and Land Rover, those are the guys for you. I only got it for 1,000 rand. I think Mercedes, it was around 2.7 to 3,000. I think it depends on which one you go to. But yeah. All right, so to start off, we took out the wheel. We, meaning I took the video, they took out the wheel. That's to give you enough space to work and take out the light. But firstly, you're going to take out 3 clips. That's just to take out the panel that's just in front of the wheel. After that, you're going to need to also take out 2 bolts or 2 screws. You're going to need a socket for that. I think it's 10 millimeter. This happened a while back, don't really remember, but socket definitely. Just to free up that plastic bit or that plastic panel to get behind the light. After you free that up, that's when you're gonna have access to the light. You just have to unplug it, and then you can then remove it from the front, because it's just held on by clips as well, nothing bolted onto it. After you remove it, you're going to need to take out the actual light panel from the plastic panel that holds it. Yeah, it was a 2-man job, but it got done. After you take it out, it's simply clipping back the new one, and yeah, as simple as that. The new light is back onto the panel. Last step is just to put it back on the car or clip it back in. Make sure you connect the light from the back. Yeah, this is an unusual video. I'm talking all the way to the end. But yeah, and just like that, guys, the light is back in. So yeah, thank you for watching this one, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.